Who was Acharya Nagarjuna? Acharya Nagarjuna is one of India's most revered intellectuals, philosophers, and scientists. Known widely as the father of Mahayana Buddhism, he was not only a spiritual visionary but also a master of ancient Indian chemistry and metallurgy. Rooted in the ancient wisdom of Takshashila or Nalanda, Nagarjuna embodied the union of spiritual enlightenment and scientific advancement, a rare combination that made him immortal in both Eastern philosophy and ancient science. Contributions to metallurgy and chemistry. While Nagarjuna is celebrated for his metaphysical works, his lesser-known yet groundbreaking contributions to metallurgy and alchemy are equally awe-inspiring. Rasratnakara are the jewel of chemistry. Nagarjuna authored the legendary text Rasratnakara, the jewel mine of chemistry, one of the oldest treatises on Rasshastra, the ancient Indian science of alchemy and metal transformation. The text covers extraction and purification of metals like gold, silver, copper, iron, tin, and zinc, transmutation of base metals, protoalchemical concepts of converting lower metals into higher ones, especially gold. Alloying techniques, creating metal blends with specific physical and chemical properties, use of mercury amalgamation in medicine and metallurgy. Techniques to refine gold and silver, smelting and metallic extraction from ores, preparing metal-based medicines, bhasmas, through calcination, corrosion-resistant metal treatments using herbal and mineral mixtures, early use of crucibles and furnaces, pointing to laboratory-style experimentation. These advancements were well ahead of their time, centuries before Europe's alchemists or Arab metallurgists. The alchemist's age, science meets spirituality. Unlike modern chemists, Nagarjuna approached metallurgy not just for utility, but as a path to inner transformation. He believed the purification of metals symbolized the purification of the soul. He aligned Ayurveda, metallurgy, and Tantra, forming a unique triad where matter, mind, and medicine intersect. Why Nagarjuna matters today? Prototype of multidisciplinary genius, blending religion, philosophy, medicine, and science. Forerunner of nanoscience, his bhasma techniques suggest early understanding of nanoscale materials. Legacy in Rasshastra and Ayurveda, his metallurgical insights fuel centuries of Ayurvedic medicine. Symbol of Indic innovation, a reminder of India's ancient prowess in applied science and sustainable metallurgy. Legacy in metallurgy, timeless techniques. Nagarjuna's processes are still studied in traditional Indian systems. His influence is seen in zinc distillation in Jawar, Rajasthan. Iron pillar of Delhi, a possible result of corrosion-resistant techniques known in his era. Ongoing use of metal bhasmas in Ayurveda. His teachings remain relevant in today's world of green chemistry, material science, and holistic health. Acharya Nagarjuna was not merely a scholar, he was a revolution in thought, a bridge between science and spirituality, and a glowing symbol of India's ancient intellectual heritage. From his profound experiments in metallurgy to his mastery in Buddhist philosophy, he set in motion ideas that would shape both Eastern wisdom and global scientific inquiry for centuries. It was in the grand halls of Nalanda University, the world's first great residential university, that Nagarjuna's genius truly flourished. As its revered chancellor, he transformed Nalanda into not only a spiritual beacon but also a scientific powerhouse, where chemistry, metallurgy, medicine, and logic were explored with fearless curiosity. Acharya Nagarjuna is believed to have belonged to the Andhra region, specifically near Nagarjunkonda in present-day Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. Influence on other countries. Acharya Nagarjuna's ideas crossed borders, influencing not only Indian thought but also Tibet. He is considered one of the greatest Buddhist philosophers in Tibetan Buddhism. His teachings became core to the Jalag and Nyingma schools. The 14th Dalai Lama often quotes Nagarjuna in his discourses on emptiness. China. Nagarjuna's works were translated into Chinese by Kumarajiva in the 5th century CE. His doctrines shaped the development of Chinese Mahayana, especially in the Sunloom, three treatise, school. Japan. Through China and Korea, Nagarjuna's Madhyamaka philosophy influenced Japanese Buddhism, especially in Zen and Pure Land traditions. Southeast Asia and Sri Lanka. His understanding of alchemy, medicine, and logic indirectly contributed to the evolution of Buddhist monastic traditions and healing sciences. This isn't mythology. It's memory, waiting to be remembered. From sacred chants to lost sciences, from the alchemy of life to the silence of sages. The Vedic movement is not a revival, it is a return to who we truly are.